Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton don't talk so many things for this video. Some of the things wey he talk be say make you no go social media, go dey do something wey go put you for trouble or wey you go regret tomorrow. Make I leave you now, make you for hear the message of Comrade Newton. Enjoy the video.
No fata, ci amo hombre. Vamos a mirar el coche.
Está allí el Mercedes de
No, esto ya tiene claro contigo, ya.
¿Dónde está el otro?
¿Cuál?
Esto.
¿Cuál?
¿Dos Mercedes?
Esto no, esto más. Esto más. Eso sí, con el cilindro no. Eso quiere que habla con ella. De 5 cilindros quiere que habla con ella.
Habla con Mohamed.
Escúchame, yo el precio que le ha dicho ayer para que
¿Qué van a poner precio? CD? ¿Los dos?
No, de momento esto.
Ok, solo de abajo. Eso ya no tiene faro, ¿eh? Good day from here. We remain resolute in our belief, and I want to quickly show something here. You know, in Nigeria right now, the president and the presidency is two body. Very wayward country. Very wayward. They don't share around now. They have president and presidency. Where are we going from here? So I want to show us some system. This is where cars are kept. Like the way you see all these Racket Square Pass, Welu Square Pass and the rest. So you come here right now, maybe something spoil your car, or your car is faulty. Maybe you just needed this. Just come here, tell them, maybe you can give them the car paper, tell them the name, or they can allow you to enter inside. Look at the exact what you need. They will pull and give you. If you are technologically savvy, for example, you know about lithium mechanic, you can lose it yourself at the end of the day. Your money can be reduced, depends on the people that owns the depositor to coach. It is called disguise. You can see everywhere, there is no erosion. See to it, you know, when we always cry, tell us something, nobody want to believe. You feel we just want to shout. There are a lot of good things here, we don't want to always show you. I, for one, I love to show where people are struggling making their money, not where people are flexing. There are areas I'll begin to show you in this very live video, or begin to come out on media with all kind of vestige, you know, want to look good, go to places. You will be guy with the Africa, you come to get the same, I mean, our flex. I always want to show you the place where people they make their money. Imagine now, you'll be told to fill these 2 cars a day. May you PC some. Then you as a full why you wanted one. This is what men are doing to make money. This is what men are doing. You know, so at times a lot of people right now look at our political structure or our political space in Edo State. It will come to a time nobody want to go for opposition. Okay, who is not to go for opposition? Me alone. Only thing we do support a governor because I love his ideology, because he's a technocrat. Only thing again, we also be opposition and God will punish all of you. Be opposition, stay where you are. You not feel say a person a criminal. Today not be criminal again. If me call person any name, forever you are done. If I call you an idiot, you remain an idiot. What the campaign? It's too early now. So in Nigeria, I think, man, thank God you don't even first for yourself. So that's it. So for those of you that are watching, this is just it. You see cars, the place is very big. You see to it. All those containers now they see at times people they carry they come. Now all these kind of places they come they back cars, they pieces and put them inside. But I know those suffer away they but if they give them more than sell them, when I will sell and chop the money. When I will sell and chop the money. Men are suffering here. Forget all those men where they put hearing for here, they show na sample place. If they show now where they work, you go wrong. Can you do 16 hours work? Bricklayer for Nigeria, if they start work, let's say 9 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you don't finish your daily work. 2 o'clock, you don't finish your daily work when they go out. People, they jump. You resume work 8 o'clock till 7 o'clock in the evening. Till 7 o'clock in the evening, you are still working.
¿Por qué no arranca?
And people, they look you.
Escúchame.
Whether you sabi work or you don't sabi work.
Escúchame. Yo voy a arrancar delante tuyo. Por el medio
You know.
voy a arrancar, para que sabe, yo aquí no trabajando así. Yo
Hay que trabajar con la cabeza, hombre. La cabeza es bueno. So you can see a lot of doors here, kept here. You can see there's no erosion because it's a system. If this place right now, all your full ground, police come here, the kind sanction where they go give the owner, the money go pay through a lifetime, discipline. But nobody is disciplined. Look at common social media space. It's just that we where they talk truth or we where they do the meeting. If we tell them how they believe, I talk and say people go die because of this social media. I don't tell them a long time ago. Imagine person like me, I don't feel post pictures so. I was restricted by some animals. There are pictures I can't post. When I say people they celebrate their children, hey, birthday, me no feel trying. Now it's my mad now they do everything. Why? Because some people, imagine during campaign, nothing where these animals don't do. I was a victim. Up till now, I still bleeds in my heart. That a friend that loved me so, he get some picture for friend. I know if he put them. I know if me and you got a snap picture. And I know if you go put them on Facebook or because one day all these animals they go use and they do another thing. Those fulefus. This is what they know how to do. They don't know how to fight. Those when we're grown, what I know is that if you and person get problem for social media, you go read. You speak concern big grammar for your head. Now some if you say read too, I don't know say people can't go to read history. Even waiting, they don't know about you, insult your pa, insult your man. What has resulted to that? Look at common campaign. What kind of campaign? But the people are trying to reawaken all those things now to correct one or two impressions. Some animal go they shout, you know they forget something. Why more of what? If you can reach us, you come feast time. You got me right. I don't even know say this thing even possible. So like all this back right now or something. You see to it? And not be say all these things now still cheap, you don't cheap like that too. I know most of people now go one day they feel say maybe they throw away. No, they're not throwing more. They're not throwing. Now big money as you see here so. But for those of us that have been into the business before, if you just ban now, they feel just okay now. At this back be now, you're not too good again like that, or they don't already put time for where they want to try. Just pay 100 card you carry. But carry and reach Bongo now. You this person they bribe this back to 220,000 naira. And maybe money will take ban 100 card. You know. And before you come see feast time. So that's why there have been a lot of discouragement in our system and encouragement to do things like that, you know. So that's it. Please, let's take it easy. What you know they're going to regret tomorrow, do something once, rest. Not to carry on for head. Because what you know you cannot really defend on the call people. You feel using that because you don't mention the person name. But this one people go mention your name, mention your surname, even put your picture along with them. Look at the most disgusting aspect of it that pains me most. Then put my picture, put a bat on, put one of my friends here for Spain with one other woman. Mama Taraba, I think the woman is late right now. The first woman senator in Taraba. The former minister for Women Affairs and Social Development during the first regime of Muhammadu Buhari. They put the picture, Conrad nonsense. Who do an Edo people do? Not people do. It was an Edo people that did it. I know the set way doing because they be mumu. That one I be campaign, hurting people. Where men told him I want a campaign. People gonna go to read history. They know where to kill your pa. But you couldn't look for what to make you the grace. You don't know to a cake. For you to say you know what to keep person, papa. But your own problem, you don't know. Wow, stupid man people everywhere. They will never learn. Now we'll learn for hard way for this one. No demons everywhere. Don't wait no man. No pass here. They can never stay in their lane. Why? Then again, we go out. Now I do anything. I'm not even a bit doing well. You know. Like now, most of our vehicles, this one are Benz 190. This one is Benz 190. See the quantum cylinder is also single. Eso kwa so se go there there. 6 cylinder day. This is still day. Then the other bigger one, all those people now be the 6 cylinder. But this 4 cylinder for 199 people they only buy away for half. I think to what they told us one time, say they use and do lister generator, you know. They use and do lister generator. If we must have a better society, there are a lot of things, a lot of prerequisites we need to put together. There are a lot of things we need to do. For the people that clap for these same people now, where they take land for a state, I call a state of Resonana Madentica today. They don't have problem now. Where are those fools now? Imagine now, God go they do bad. Nobody go even hey, he's a gay. Okay, if you are being caught now, come and prove it. What are you going to say? A big man for that matter. You the Western world. You don't know what to be information of character. You the crazy, you the mad. That's why you caught it all. But all those names, having names in Oman Kiana, every street. Am I going to history? Am I where road will attack around? But some fools now, instead of them to realize that they will never realize. Then you can walk in and a woman and say, enemy of century ago, me fit do one today. If I say you are mad, you are mad. I don't know why people don't feel they say they are lame. Talk about why we have day. We are not talk about a terrorist group, you know. What did these people not talk? Talk about a terrorist group. Keregian so a son member for inside their mind. He did their midst. Any small thing, they will rat. Or go one or can't pavio, no pass. Very, very wayward set of people. Oh, what demon. A lot of people are not trying to say all these things. Now, I'm not trying to escalate anything, but me, I don't want anybody to get problem. But whosoever that break the edge, miss happen better, and I may just say. I'm not telling you, do I start? Why you want more campaign? Me about their campaign there. Why we insult one? His administration is dead. That one is a normal thing. How will you go to people's private life? Normal, your mommy on beer. Where no me beer now. Or no mommy on beer where here yaleleku. Only him you. Very disgusting. A terrorist na a webo terrorist. 4+4 terrorist group. Why are you dinner? We are not stay on a lane. Man, why you yana with the government? They say we relax ourselves here. We are not expecting anything up to now. You may go Baseki. You may correct Baseki. I've said it. I'm an activist. I supported it. Does not make me. I will come the. If they do bad, no. Okay, who is now to join us to correct the government of the day? If every one of you right now want to become a politician and go to governors, who is now to talk to the government? Opposition in a country, they help things they go well. Opposition for country. Not be to keep personal. Opposition have its own importance. The importance of opposition, now the Nigerian opposition on the day. The only way we would have opposition in those states right now, Mona the correct. I'm gonna go the short road way, not the do well. May for doing and push and may do one. You go see prison at the end of the day. Not make sure say money must enter on a hand. You don't feel like Nigeria not go the short road. Now official one. But at the time when all of them want pack on and come be friend, who want to correct the government? This every government just get mad say to not push and go fit push himself. Go America. There are Democrats that are 100 years. Oh, why Democratic? Republican. In the company, but our own. They can okay, food they here, they run. Why is an activist trying to force himself to become a politician? If I'm not, I still agreeing that I support Obaseki for that simple reason. I should believe if there's any shenanigans in his administration, me I be part of it. Why are you people trooping in to come and be doing this thing? Stay in your lane, be the opposition. Let's push him to work. That's it. Let's push the government to work. So John won on the praise. Now here most people they come the back out, most of us. Obama will dag bad or die. When I say it's rosy. When I'm away, I have very bola, no bola than a web bona. I am a picture on Facebook. Let them go and let them show you where they make their money from. You will be ashamed of yourself. Let most people show you where they make their money from. Please click love and like in this very video. If you are watching, click love and like in this very video. Love and like. Click love and like. I don't know what for quite some time right now. Maybe it's a fun. I don't know. Please love and like in this very video. A lot of things are going on, and we don't feel go hotel room, go the show now, beautiful building. We have to show you from. Hola, amigo.
Hola, no hay ninguno.
Ahí. Me creo que está por ahí.
¿Pero quién está por ahí? ¿Moja o Dula?
Creo que Mohammed.
¿Eh?
Mohammed. So people are coming in. Many mechanics are coming in here to come and bypass. Because most of them don't they lose their things down. So when you come here, you get your thing. That Ghana way comes from a mechanic. I've known him since 2005. Since 2005, you know. You go to my Webo, or Victoria Island. You don't know what a lot of things that keep you abroad. People are not driving abroad. Don't be saying they don't want to drive. Don't be saying they don't get money. Expenses in a roadway. Particularly enemy from your father's house, they drive your motor all the time. You know what they think it's easy. Life in Nigeria is easier than the life abroad here. But a lot of people will not say the truth because their love life they are not living. You have to pay your insurance, you have to pay your ITV, get with the call ITV. Particularly when car don't pass 10 years, you have to be passing it every 1 year, ITV. In inspection technical the vehicles, that is ITV. In I think in UK, it's called that things also, you know. So you pass that every year when your car is above 10 years, you know. You have to do your insurance, you have to pay your SUMA and the rest of other things. So it's not easy. We've been alive here today. It's the grace of God. Here we come. Our father is not here. Our mother is not here. Our ancestors is not even here. But we're able to coexist with the society. They play around, brother. Not be that kid get on. But you cannot do this one in that Nigeria with one person. One person can say, come on. They'll collect your phone from you now. Oppression everywhere. So that's why there is a life that's happening here. We want you to feel the same life at home. There are areas I will go to my city here. If I video for you, will never come on for house. You go hang yourself. I don't want me to give anybody attention. No. I'll just go to the restaurant. You'll see big men, better cars. Here land help. I'll just sit down with one pose, you know. They record them. Okay, waiting I want to get if I give you a fee. I get nothing. Most of the video I've done, I never done for we're fine. I never done for we're fine. I always want to do video, teach you 1 or 2 things that's happening. Okay, look at this Ford now. Do you know one funny thing? Don't get it twisted. Like this place now, this one not, they can never sell car for you, may you carry go. May you carry go house. You must push around here. Why some people depends on how they take buy. Some they buy, they sell. They not go terminate the paper like that. They'll do and back the exportation so that the first sell and you carry and go Nigeria. Or you first buy, you go react them again. Then go the maybe you first say something, you don't need them again. Or you now back at the column. After you don't remove your name now, they're not put on for destruction. This one right now is destruction. He can't live here. He can't live here with this full body. But you feel carry the past, come on. But stay full if you not feel live on. But if there's some areas, some disgrace, that they buy them, you feel still carry and come on. Look at tires. And this one they'll carry come Nigeria. So these are the things. I will soon be ending this video right now. So most of us, when we came here, we became multi-talented because when you are in Rome, we had as a Roman. Most of us would have been in jail today if we wanted to live fast lane. The people you feel they come home. You come home this year. The next year again, if you come again. So don't cut 5. Go. You just spend 5 years for inside jail. So thank God for Allah. We're able to keep ourselves irrespective of the suffering, irrespective of what we're going through. That we want a better society for. Everybody must not have to come here. It's not compulsory. If you come here right now, you don't see who help you. Friend will put you for us, show you where you go suffer. It don't be like before. Where you just come out, you just see who will give you work. I cannot reveal a lot of things our brothers and sisters are doing here. That's why it pains most of us that our leaders at home, they sit down on top of the natural resources of the people. They don't care about the future. You don't know. A time is going to come, you will celebrate me. A time will come, you say, that man, he really tried for us. You can't get it anywhere. A system here, they function. A system. Irrespective of who you are equality to every other person. You are equal. You are equal to every other person. Who does monkey banana? But here we are, anybody can, take away everything. So what we are doing is for you. I'm not doing it for myself. Area Dodo State. If we are preaching for a better society in Edo State, if we are saying enough of Fulani herdsmen killing, they are not going to kill me. If at all say Jan today cast, we still know people will go survive. If man have a BOCC, go the fat and they go. See the papers.
Mándame
¿Has visto los coches, no? Los Fiat.
No, yo no aviso la plaza.
Escúchame, que lo que tengo
Hace una...
Enséñamelo. Y los motivuadores también, ¿no? O solo el motor.
No, los dos Fiat, el Mercedes solo el
Vale,
motor.
de acuerdo.
Ah, los dos Fiat.
Los Fiat yo hablamos con él, el motor y la mecánica.
Ah, vale. Ajá. Y también ha de hablar.
Yo él a ver qué dice, los dos Fiat.
So now, here I want to show you again now. People go to pick iron or electrodomestic where they know they use again. They'll carry and come here, you can't scare them. There are people that are also doing that. Like this man, I go pick soap. That's why I say that they do reformer. Maybe people will carry this bath, but you see all those kitchen stuff, all those irons, rod and all of that. You can't sell them here. You can't sell them here. So that's what is happening here, So this other side of it, now for cars. So this very building you are seeing here, now Mercedes-Benz has the that one. They sell new car, they see the repair for there, So area where they so now be polygonal. Not be industrial, the one where they call industrial park. Nobody they stay this area now. Offices, warehouse, now Fulham. As big as this place now. Very big. Very big now industrial area. So during daytime that everywhere go they busy. You got a lot of mechanic workshop. You got all kind of workshop, They sell ties, they sell electrical whatever, construction materials and the rest. So here now industrial zone. Why this other place? Now just a different place entirely. So these are where people stay, So for those of you thinking you just come to Jan automatically, my dear, fight make your country good though. Not let them use you the way they use your papa make your country good. If you even go say you want to go spend 2 million, take on this Jan, my brother. A 2 million if your place bam, you use and start market there. You fair make and pass who did the Jan. A lot of people we don't say the truth. We don't say the truth, but at times let's be realistic to ourselves. It's no longer the way we expected it to be. Most of our brothers today, let them be frank and sincere to you. If they tell you how they get their money, particularly when you have nothing, when you are not creative, you find yourself in a cordial control. So that's why we are talking to our politicians. We want a government now that will use whatever thing we have to see how it can fix up the society. That's supposed to be the purpose. Not for one person to campaign. At the end of the day, the well-being of the people. Like what I was just saying right now, this man, now I tell you, he go pick something so. He go pick things. He want to sell now. That way he put that thing so he not reach €3. If you don't sell this one, you'll still go roam about again. Still go get more. When I say Jan na this thing. More than not fight, make them repair on our country. More than not fight. More than not the hashtag. Sí. ¿Qué pasa? Todavía yo no he pasado ahí porque estaba un poco ocupado.
¿Hay llamado Siri?
Sí, me ha llamado. Siri está aquí. Ah. Sí, simple buscar mi teléfono. Esa ahí dentro y haciendo su cosa. So let's fight and make our country okay. It is very, very important. For those of you feeling maybe we are doing it for ourselves, no, it's for you. It's for you that is there. There are no bomb blasts here. Yes, good or bad. We are almost keen to the ancestors of Europe. Now small remain. We will come be full ancestors here. We must join them, whether you like it or not. We will force our way in, even when the year never reach. Now we dey run am. Amigo, ¿qué pasa? Amigo, ¿qué pasa? Esa es la Facebook. esa haciendo la Facebook.
Facebook.
Sí.
¿Qué está haciendo?
¿Quieres hablar?
¿De qué?
Habla con tu gente de tu país.
¿Qué está haciendo? Directo.
Sí, directo, está en directo. Enseñando las cosas que está aquí. Enseñando que aquí no es fácil, muy difícil también. Para que ellos levanten a hacer cosas bien en mi país. No para que sientan siempre. So every one of us should join hands together to see how we make our country to be great. We know Nigeria is expired, but the new country that will be born, let's even assume today, we want to start building a new Nigeria. We want to start building Ododuwa. We want to start building Brafa. Will you be a part and parcel of the struggle? What can you contribute? Can you mold blocks? For example, Brafa got their freedom today. European structure is going to be coming. Can you be employed in anywhere to work? Or you are still going to be a full as you are today? It's a question you must have to ask yourself. Will you be bold enough from Europe and go home and say, this is what I've learned for 30 years I've been in Europe. I want to go and also join in building my nation. Can you? It's a question you must have to ask yourself. That's why let be relevant for once. Let always believe in shenanigans. Can you be called tomorrow? That this thing, we know that this man can do it. Let's look for him. This thing, we know that this woman can do it. Let's look for this woman. Can you be called? Can you be called? Is the question. So don't be in Europe for those of us, some of our stupid brothers who gavanlate here and there. 30 years in Europe, you are no engineer. You are nothing you can do. That's why those people, if you check out the people today doing activism, all of them, they have a reason. For most of us consecutively who have been in this struggle right from time, we have a reason why we do what we do. We are not doing it because just we want to talk. We are not doing that. Wait till they inside this finger. If God reveal unto on our trip, wait till they inside this finger. So not be tearful. Wait till they inside his head. We are not feeling. How can let's assume everybody they say may they carry all Nigerian come house. What can you do at home? Ask yourself. Only what you are going to show. How to put on trousers with policy. Just in second. See the demon?
Ya hablamos con el Mercedes.
Sí.
Está pagado. Nosotros él me dice me va a llamar.
Ah, vale.
Si se da tiempo por la tarde, si viene, él dice que si viene, él lo sube con toro, él va a sacar los, ¿cómo se llama? Transmisión, él los tacó, luego...
¿Qué van a quitar en el Mercedes? Los amortiguadores y motor, ¿no?
No, sin motor, motores. Él va a quitar los, ¿cómo se llama? Ven ahí, ven ahí.
Para probar el motor, ¿no va a sacar el motor que no va? ¿Entiendes o no?
Amigo. El Mercedes que falta para quitar. El Mercedes que falta.
¿Qué falta?
El Mercedes.
¿Qué pasa?
Unos 900.
Esto contigo para sacarme el motor. Yo le digo, ven con este, contigo creo que lo sacamos.
Vale, cuando quiere.
Por la tarde.
Por la tarde.
¿A las
si
4?
quiere.
¿A las 4?
A las 4.
Sí.
Vale.
Yo le digo.
Escúchame, yo voy a quitarle que le ha dicho para irte a trabajar fácil. Te vas a quitar 2 tornillos y sacamos un motor fuera.
Vale.
¿Está?
Vale, a las 4 yo te lo paso a las 4.
¿Vale?
Sí, vale. Safi,
¿Sabes? Tenemos que hablar de este,
no hay más fish miss killer.
Vale, entonces moja, Vale, entonces, ¿qué? ¿Cómo hacer?
Me voy a... ¿Ah?
Tú venís para...
Las 4. Sí.
¿Cuánto te pago por eso?
Luego hablamos.
No, hablamos, dime, a ver.
Está en Facebook.
Ah. Vale.
¿Quieres que alguien viene y me roba? Okay. Bueno, mira, ¿y para qué cosa a las 4 estoy aquí? A las 4.
¿A las 4?
Sí.
Vale, si yo no estaba aquí,
No pasa nada.
a ver, antes de citarlo, tiene que llamarme.
Ah, vale. Mira, la dosia que... La dosia que tú estabas hablando que... La dosia que... La otro dos que...
Sí, a ver, me llamo, yo te no habla con ella.
Ah, vale. Bueno, me voy. So, viewers, that's where it is. I'm communicating to you in Europe. Our brothers and sisters, they are dying working. At the end of the day, they send you money at home. You use the money to do your own. Now God will punish you. You don't know what people are going through here. You don't know what people are going through here. You feel it's easy. Fight for yourself. You will never fight. Hello, bro. Which way now? Adela Facebook. Alpha. Now this one you dey use now. Okay. Hey. God bless you. No?
Mouth. I will wish you a
Na. Na so it be. Na so. The other, that your smoker, you sell am. Okay. Now this one dey better than am. But this one not they give you a teacher.
This one I don't start now. Yeah, it's strong.
Okay. Then you give CC may help you.
I don't play with me on the 3 years now. Let me say I use the money.
Okay, I never see you with am once. So this one na first time. Okay. Yeah. But this one go dey good for me till they convey goods now. Yeah. Okay, now we'll talk. I will dey here around 4 o'clock in the evening just now.
All right, bro.
Later, bro. Yeah. So all these are Nigerian hustling. Una there has there. You cannot talk to your government. Protest you cannot do. You want me your society may it just vanish good. They wait for them. Later now they fly and meet which now so your friend don't send you money. Then they plug the money. I was telling my friend one day now, so when we are leaving home, our people supposed to tell us Esalego. The meaning of Esalego is that we see you later. But they told us Estanuka, that is never again. Never again. You guys here come to Facebook at times, begin to shout. Look at social media, and not be now people even they talk about the situation of Nigeria. Look at all of those in social media who have done consecutively how I've tried to make sure we expose a lot of corruption in our system. Even talk to our leader, they can never. Then later, as we are talking, they're going to give you name. And they did their body for the giant. We are not see influence, but for everywhere. Influence, but for everywhere. Now let's just come out, waka come out for hustle. Am I so able to? So more take them easy. Learn to do what is right. Very, very important. Learn to do what is right. All this one we are doing is not going to help us. Look at Nigeria now. Twitter delete your message. Then you use and turn to the Nigerian problem. So thank God I don't they affect all of them. I said they say when I wait tweet now they'll come arrest you now. If person they complain or something, you look that thing with this person with person they talk. So waiting in personal problem about this whole thing. That's why I've never begun to criticize anybody who be saying they fight for better society. If they make mistake, but I don't care. You cannot fight freedom and be wearing tie. Any person who they fight freedom, you wear tie, you know say, na jege na ide. You have to roll up your sleeve. See everywhere. Tie from one end to another. Tie join house. Not be God creator, but a human being do one. No one is created by God here. Let's even assume that since 1999, now with the Taiwan road for that Nigeria, the old road will never finish. Now there you see one minister. He will use about 14 billion jewel rings. How many will be? We are just 200 million. Let's even assume now, every year, each citizens they get $1 million naira. At least. Use and take manage up with yourself. They're not the forbid now. But here we are, suffering and smiling. Things are not okay. You know, but a lot of us feel it's funny. Then because you don't go from work, me, I'll see where you want to labor yourself rich. You know, guy, you want to work rich for this job. You don't feel work past 65 years. You know, guy, you want labor rich. Or if you don't want passion, we both go passion you. 65 years, you want passion. I'll see where I want to go. Or boy, if you say they receive passion, so some of them, they don't they pay us rent. Now the 600 card or 500, now they take the manage. Depends. They are passing do down for them. You wait before in. You are paying a part you can't get person. 65 years, you must stop work. If you even buy house, you never pay and finish. How are you going to survive that? You can't survive it. Look at the way cars is being arranged in the streets. No obstruction. See to it. You have to coordinate yourself here. No discipline. Our leader, they go come jammed. You not concern them now. How you take concern them? Any send here. My time I think and bell, now they complain. Okay, leader the mama bell ne man or who know who bad this I man bell don't hang bell where. Who are going to suffer? What you would have used, what we would have used to make our society better. 1 or 2 persons had the carry. But if you not see you talk, you not wait you not get courage to take. If you see you do one, praise the person. If you don't want praise and shut up your mouth. Look at it right now. Some animal they are attacking people fighting for their freedom. Give me Nigeria. Need the Nigeria. We Boko Haram once. I be Fulani. I be now here say that they don't Fulani discipline. So there's something I want to show you before this thing. You see this place right now. Construction is going on here. You see what they're doing so? Not to do this place so. They just want to modernize it. They just want to modernize it to see to it. You get where you go reach now, this building, they'll remove them. You see, huh? You see this walkway now. See this thing. And this one are the modern one. And before now, the big one where they see. Look at the one they put some years ago here. Where they remove this old one. This was the previous one which Spain your test start. They are no longer using this one again because this one not the market again. They are no longer fabricating these ones. You get area where this one there before. If you spoil a knife, they won't come do one. Now this kind of way it gets made color now they use now. What I mean? So you see this one now. This one they more bigger. This new one now, 2021 model. They more smaller. You can see now. This is about this one should be about 20 by 10. You see, huh? So that's it. I think I've been able to give us a little historical this morning or this afternoon, wherever you watch it from. So let's take cool and let's fight for our country. Let's make our country to be great. If you have your voice to it, let people begin to bring out a lot of things. A lot of things that people will also learn from. It's not all about go stay for one car. Can't use car will not be your own. You know? Take go to snap picture. Go stay one building. Go to price close. Now heading me they give you like that. I should show you where money is coming out from. Where money they come out from. That will be more better. So do have a nice day and God bless and every one of you. Maybe later I will be seeing later. So let me show something from this passage here. You can see the letterbox of everybody in this very house. You see? Arrange. See to it. Let me show you the beds. Also check out the bed according to the flat. Now the bed seated there. So If somebody want come ask coffee now, we know your bed, go press your bed, or maybe they bring letter come for you. You know, so that just it. It's a very good system. We can afford this kind of a thing. We can afford it. Not all racism. Until we tell ourselves the truth, I will not get better country. The truth now that they build countries, truth. Any country built with lie, just the way they build Nigeria with lie, amalgamation of 1914. Now they get problems so now. I think they are trying to change the name now. More than 10 say the Nigeria don't expire. So do have a nice day and God bless you. Ciao.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Newton. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.